The new SAP Data Analyst, SAP Analytics Cloud exam is no longer just multiple-choice questions. It now tests whether you can solve business problems, explain your decisions, and respond to AI cross-examination like a SAP Analytics Cloud consultant. In this video, you'll practice realistic SAP scenario-based questions and SAP exam tasks designed for the new AI role-play format. This certification focuses on data analysis, dashboard creation, KPI reporting, SAP Analytics Cloud planning. This exam is designed for SAP data analysts and analytics professionals working on real SAP reporting projects. And in the SAP performance-based exam, you'll face business problems exactly like these. You'll interact with an AI stakeholder, explain your solution, and justify your decisions step by step. So let's jump directly into the scenarios. Scenario 1, Executive Sales Dashboard. You are working as an SAP data analyst for a retail company. The sales director says, "Our executives cannot quickly identify declining regional performance. We need a dashboard that provides real-time visibility into revenue trends, top-performing products, and regional KPIs." Now the AI examiner asks, how would you design this solution using SAP Analytics Cloud? This is where many candidates fail the SAP performance-based exam. Because SAP is not testing theory alone. SAP wants structured consultant-level thinking. A strong answer would include, first, connect the required SAP and non-SAP data sources into SAP Analytics Cloud. Then, create a clean data model with standardized dimensions like region, product category, sales representative, and revenue metrics. Next, build executive-friendly visualizations, revenue trend charts, KPI scorecards, geo maps, and product comparison charts. Finally, apply filters, drill-down capabilities, and real-time refresh settings so executives can interact dynamically with the dashboard. Now the AI role-play examiner cross-examines you. Why would you use KPI tiles instead of detailed tables for executives? Your response should demonstrate business understanding. Executives need fast decision-making visibility, not operational-level detail. KPI tiles improve readability, highlight performance instantly, and support strategic decisions. That is how SAP scenario-based questions evaluate your practical consulting ability. Scenario 2, Data Integration Problem. A company is struggling because financial data from SAP systems and external CRM platforms are inconsistent. The AI stakeholder says, "We need a unified analytics environment. What would you recommend?" A weak candidate jumps directly into tools. A strong SAP consultant starts with architecture and business impact. Your solution approach should include integrating SAP and non-SAP sources into SAP Business Data Cloud, creating a unified semantic layer, standardizing KPI definitions, implementing validation rules, establishing governed reporting models inside SAP Analytics Cloud. Then the AI asks, how would this improve executive reporting accuracy? Your response: a unified semantic layer ensures all departments use consistent business definitions and metrics. This reduces reporting conflicts and improves decision-making confidence. This is exactly the type of SAP exam simulation you should practice repeatedly before attempting the real certification. If you want hands-on SAP exam practice instead of only theory PDFs, platforms like certshero.com provide realistic SAP hands-on practice environments. That type of preparation is becoming essential for the new SAP exam format. Scenario 3, Executive Forecast Planning. You are supporting a manufacturing company using SAP Analytics Cloud planning features. The CFO says, "Our budget forecasting process is manual and slow. We need predictive planning visibility." The AI examiner asks, how would SAP Analytics Cloud solve this? A strong response includes using planning models inside SAP Analytics Cloud, building predictive forecasting dashboards, configuring version management, creating scenario simulations, enabling collaboration workflows between departments. Then the AI challenges you. How would predictive forecasting help leadership? Your response should connect technology to business outcomes. Predictive analytics helps leadership identify risks early, optimize budgets, and improve strategic planning accuracy. Remember, SAP performance-based exams reward business-driven technical thinking, not memorized textbook answers. Scenario 4. Poor dashboard. Adoption. A company implemented SAP Analytics Cloud dashboards, but employees are not using them effectively. The AI stakeholder asks, "What would you improve?" A consultant-level answer includes simplifying dashboard layout, improving KPI prioritization, adding drill-down navigation, creating role-based dashboards, optimizing mobile responsiveness, conducting user enablement sessions. Then the AI cross-examines, why is user adoption critical in analytics projects? Because even technically correct dashboards fail if business users cannot interpret or trust the insights. This demonstrates real-world SAP consulting awareness. And that is exactly what the CSAC exam is designed to evaluate. Today you learned how to think like an SAP Analytics Cloud consultant under AI role-play pressure. That's the mindset required to pass the new SAP scenario-based exam format. If you want more SAP exam simulations, AI role-play scenarios, flashcards, and mock tests, visit certshero.com and continue practicing hands-on. Because in modern SAP certifications, theory helps you start, but performance is what helps you pass. And if you want advanced SAP Analytics Cloud scenarios next, make sure to subscribe and continue building real consulting skills consistently.